Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Opera GX. So first you need to search on Google, that is Opera GX, and you need to open the first website, that is Opera GX gaming browser. So once it is open, you simply need to click on download Opera GX, and here you can see on the next page, get ready to play. So click on start download, click on yes, and it will start downloading. So it will depend on your internet speed, and in few seconds it will be downloaded into your PC. So it's totally depend on your internet speed. So once it is downloaded, you simply need to open that and complete the installation process. So this is the process how you can download and install Opera GX. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.